arsonists, do you have the backbone, collectively or in your national capacity, to stop the arsonist? You know his name, his address, his methods, his lies, his goals. And yet, he feels he can continue spreading fire in total impunity while the whole world tries to figure out how you stop the fire if you are not willing to stop the arson. It takes him seconds to destroy, and it takes us all years to rebuild, decades to rebuild. And the reality is, once the fire has started, nothing is ever the same. Hear the screams of those enduring the fire in their flesh, and tell us how to explain to them that for 365 days, the world has watched the 365 kilometers square of Gaza turned into rubble and ashes. The outrage your countries displayed, the solidarity they demonstrated every single day in the streets, needs to turn into an unstoppable wave to put out the fire. If we do not, everything else we are trying to do and say in this chamber will be used.